Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So let's go over the logics we discussed for the entire week. Big shout out to Nikita because she's covered the week very accurately, and as she has given a bullish view to all of you, it has worked out perfectly. Okay, so we also ended up doing great this week. So let's actually discuss what is the view going forward. मतलब हमने क्या क्या किया है और इस वीक में कौन से लॉजिक्स यूज करके we have made money. So first thing on the weekly time frame we have this multiple resistance. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So first thing to note, okay, longer time frame पे if one level or one trend line, okay, if 4 or 5 times it's touching, so what you need to do, you need to wait for the breakout of that trend line, okay, which you have got here in that around last week, okay, closing last Friday ko. Okay, now once you get this closing, you know the market is in bull category, firmly in bull category, bullish. Okay, so what happens, generally whenever you get a bullish indication weekly time frame पे आपको क्या करना है, जाके you have to go and sell puts. Okay, so what Nikita told you, I remember very well in the weekly analysis, उसने आपको बोला 51,000 puts should go to zero in this week. ठीक है, this is the logic for why we thought 51,000 should go to zero. And basically I also told you in my videos we can expect all these OTM puts to go to zero. So instead of doing that intraday trading every candle पे reacting, okay, rather become better at technicals, find some good trades, okay, and then take a view and then make money on the view. This is what I think. Okay, so we don't punch 200-300 orders per day. We do it very less. In fact our brokerage is also very less. वैसे तो I trade in a broker who doesn't charge brokerage, मतलब it's capped at 2,000 rupees per month. But even if I would trade in Zerodha, मेरा brokerage I don't think it would be a lot. ठीक है, so weekly time frame से we knew that this week could be bullish and the probability of OTM puts going to zero is very high, very high. Okay, so that's the weekly time frame for you. Next on the daily time frame, okay, again why the view is bullish, multiple times resistance is taken, okay, and यहाँ पे भी आप देखो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this is a resistance zone. So market came here and यहाँ से नीचे आया है और इसके ऊपर जब क्लोजिंग आई है ना मंडे को आई थिंक मंडे और ट्यूसडे के वीडियो में निकिता टोल्ड यू 51,700 पुट शुड गो टू जीरो. नाउ व्हाई 51,700? बिकॉज दिस इज अ सपोर्ट लेवल. ठीक है, सो प्रीवियस रेजिस्टेंस व्हेनेवर इट्स ब्रोकन विल टर्न इनटू अ सपोर्ट. ओके, दिस इज वेरी सिंपल एनालिसिस. Okay, so both these logics have worked wonderfully well. So expiry day के दिन उसके पहले also I think she made the video and she told you this level. So I was checking the comment section also. Lot of you have made money because of her. So credit to her. Now the main question is, what did she tell you yesterday? Yesterday she said कि आज के high के ऊपर we have to play bullish, but we have to try to book our trades near the previous resistance. Okay, so exactly from there today market has tried to come down. Now it's not that कि view bearish हो गया है, ठीक है, but at this point we have to be cautious. ठीक है, cautious view लेना है हमको, because many times what happens, let's take this as an example. So many times what happens, this is an all time high, so market goes there, okay, spends some time here and fails and comes down drastically. Okay, so this happens many times. So check this all time high also. Okay, so this was in 14 September. This is an 80H. Okay, market came there, okay, and again came down. So what I'm saying, so I'm not saying ki become bearish right now. I'm saying become cautious that market is bullish. Definitely market is bullish. Okay, but we don't want to get trapped badly if the market comes down now, because we already made good money, okay, in this up move. And this money, though, I'm telling you about options. Futures is very different. So futures may also we made good money. So first thing, what do we understand? Okay, larger term view. We understand that if the market first thing, if it comes down, okay, if it comes down, we have a very strong support at 51,700. So if the market comes, okay, on that level, we are going to buy the dip. Okay, so we'll keep that in mind whenever the market comes down 51,700 pe. If it comes here, we are going to look to buy in this zone. Okay, keep that in mind. Now next, okay, where did the market come up from? Okay, so market has halted at this support line. So I'll change the color actually for you. 52,200 ka level is a support for us moving forward. Okay, why is this? Because check this here. Again, here a lot of resistances are there. And market did pause here एक बार. तो यहाँ पे भी if it comes, we are going to look to buy. So buy the dip करने बोला है, ठीक है? Intraday dip नहीं. So if it's a good dip, you need to buy now. So what we are going to try to do, all time high है. इसके ऊपर if a candle closes, we are going to make our view bullish and we are going to go with continuous bullish trades. Even intraday above 53,300, 53,400 पकड़ लो. 53,400 के ऊपर if market goes, we'll continue our bullish bias here. Okay, in Bank Nifty. And if the market breaks today's low and comes down, okay, we'll be in a strangle kind of a mindset. So we'll think, okay, we've gotten a resistance, we've got a support, and in this range we are going to like sell short strangles and make our money, okay, moving forward for the next few days. Okay, so I'm drawing the same levels for you on the 15-minute time frame, okay, expecting a support here because this was a previous resistance, and also market paused here, that's why I'm expecting a support here as well, okay, 50 to 600. And I've told you पिछले chart में लेके जाके why this may be a good support, okay, moving forward. So now what is going to be a strategy? If even if the market comes down the first time, okay, first time it comes down, we will look for long opportunities, and if it makes a lower low, we are going to look for selling here, okay, because first time usually the dip gets bought. Cool. So inside this last 2 days range, okay, better to have a strangle kind of a mindset, okay. For tomorrow, Sensex expiry is there, so if the all-time high is crossed on Sensex expiry, I expect a good up move then, okay, or at least a difficult day for strangle sellers. Then if not, okay, especially today's low is crossed on the downside, we'll actually look to buy at a W, at a support, or wherever the down move starts from, okay, let it go down, and when the current day high is crossed, we'll look to buy here. Okay, so that's Bank Nifty for you. Nifty, what view we have? Okay, we have this rectangle sort of thing formed here, so 2 times we have taken good support here, okay, so market has to close below this for us to go bearish in Nifty. So keep that in mind. We are going to try to play bearish in Nifty below 25,300, okay. इसके नीचे आया तो bearish खेलेंगे, वरना I think it's better to have a bullish bias only in Nifty. And why bullish bias? Because we are trading at an all-time high level. All-time high पे, say there are 2 kinds of mistakes which you can do. One mistake is sell calls and take a loss. Second is sell puts and take a loss. So I would much rather prefer to sell puts and have a loss instead of like me selling calls and getting butchered at an all-time high. So मुझे वो logical लगता नहीं है. That's why I try to stay away from those kind of trades. Sensex expiry the exact same thing. This was sort of a Poland flag, okay. And if we have to play bearish on Sensex, we need at least a good 15-minute candle closing below 82,700. Then what we'll do, if we get this candle closing, we know this resistance is all these options, they could potentially go to zero. So we'll start selling them. If the premiums are good, we'll go OTM then. We don't need to come close and sell. Okay, so if this support is breached, I expect the next support to be somewhere around 81,500 then, okay, and market can be trapped in this triangle range then if the market has come on the downside. And same Sensex may we would rather play with a bullish view, okay, unless 82,700 is crossed on the downside. Okay, that's simple my view for tomorrow, and let's see if this works or not. And let me know in the weekly analysis what you want me to cover, because I'll be making the weekly analysis video this week. Okay, so कुछ भी होगा, आपको gold चाहिए, silver चाहिए, let me know. I'll try to cover that in my analysis. And that's it, I think, for this video. Whatever I've said for Bank Nifty, more or less my view matches that for Nifty and Sensex. Okay, so I'll see you very soon. Bye bye.